Greetings, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to another informative video on the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. In today's episode, we will be discussing a crucial topic that every RV enthusiast must know about: sanitizing your RV water system. As you embark on your thrilling journeys and explorations, it is essential to have access to clean and safe drinking water. RVs come equipped with water storage tanks, but over time, bacteria, algae, and other contaminants can accumulate, compromising the water quality. That's where sanitizing the RV water system becomes imperative. To start, gather the necessary supplies for the sanitization process. You'll need a water hose, chlorine bleach, gloves, and a measuring cup. Begin by draining all the water from your RV's fresh water tank and hot water heater. It's vital to remove any residual water before proceeding. Next, prepare a bleach solution by mixing a quarter cup of bleach with 1 gallon of water. Using your water hose, connect one end to a water source and the other end to your RV's city water inlet, ensuring it's secure and tight. Now, pour the bleach solution into the hose, making sure to remove any trapped air. This will allow the bleach solution to flow into your RV's water system effectively. Turn on the water supply, enabling the solution to fill up all the plumbing lines and tanks thoroughly. Once the bleach solution is in your RV's water system, close the faucets and let it sit undisturbed for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This will give enough time for the chlorine to kill any bacteria or other harmful organisms present in the system. After the designated time has passed, thoroughly flush the system by running clean, fresh water through each faucet and fixture. This step is essential to remove any remaining traces of bleach and ensure your water is safe to drink. Remember to carry out this process at least once a year or whenever you notice an unpleasant taste or odor in your RV's water. Regular sanitization not only ensures the purity of your drinking water but also helps prolong the life of your RV's water system. That concludes our guide on sanitizing your RV water system. We hope you found this information helpful and enlightening. Stay tuned to the Daily RV Life YouTube channel for more insightful content on making the most of your RV adventures. Until next time, happy travels.